We found out about the Tempo product because we were looking at installations where clients needed to have a solution that could be installed and rapidly deployed, and the Tempo, because it mounts to the surface, allows us to get in there with minimal impact to the building itself, and also it helps with the timeline. One of the best features of the Tempo is just flat out that we don't need to involve all of the GCs and deal with core drills when we're dealing with raceway over the floor, as well as dealing with wall backing for displays, and having that convenient location to store simple equipment below the display and not impact the building as strong as you would when you're getting in and mounting a display right to the wall and fishing down a wall. All of that is kind of eliminated with the Tempo. The other piece is the rapid deployment. One of the things that AVI is currently working at is deploying rooms on a subscription basis. The Tempo gives us the ability to come into a room, install quickly, and then come back and remove it without having a major impact, and 2 guys and a system easily install a Tempo solution in a day. The Tempo has a number of accessories that we've used that we like. The AVA 1103 is the simple plate that lives within the Tempo that you can mount a number of accessories to. It's great for receivers, it's great for UC PCs that might be in there for UC conferencing. It also has the AVA 1102, which is a 2-rack adapter, which is a vertical portrait mount, so you can install a power supply or a network switch in that orientation. You still have the ability to use the AVA 1103 below it. We've also used a number of traditional Fusion accessories, which we have used for years and years. The Fusion mount system has numerous accessories for different ways of mounting cameras, speakers, other things that can be kind of incorporated into the Tempo system, so that's why we're attracted to it. One of the things that's great about the Tempo is that we can use a number of different display sizes with it. We have used 55, 65, and 75-inch displays. One of the keys that we have found, because we're often integrating with the camera, is making sure that we get that camera at an appropriate height to look at the table, but also we want the display to come down to the edge of the modesty panel. We don't want to see the cables underneath, so we've been able to find ways where that camera is at the right height for the table, and yet we're able to bring that display down, and it lends a nice clean install. As we've worked with the Tempo product, there's been some challenges that we've had because we're engineers and we like to take things apart. And the Chief team has been real responsive to listening to us. I mean, that really has been a big part of it for us. This is the product that we are basing a whole number of solutions around right now. It's been fun.